Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. I'm in the middle of retightening my hair. I have a small section left in the back to do. I will come back and show you exactly how I have camouflaged with this hairstyle the rest of the hair that needs to be done. But this is how I'm styling my hair to go out, because I have to run out this morning. And this is how I camouflage my hair. I have this section right here that I still need to do. All the rest of my hair has been done. I am so pleased. I feel so accomplished today. Can you imagine how I feel after I complete that section? I'm getting ready to finish retightening my hair in the back. But before I do that, I want to show you what I did before I went out to get this style. Notice this is one section. This is another section. I have 4 sections. This is the part of my hair that still needs to be retightened. I'm feeling kind of proud of myself right now. So this is what I did. If I can still remember what I did. Okay. I took this section. Took my goodie clip. And I clipped the 2 sections together. I took this section. And I just pushed it up in there. That way. This last section, I took it and I pushed it up into the same place. And if you notice, I covered the goodie clip. I didn't think that I was doing that. I didn't do that on purpose. That just happened, but it was ideal. Play around with the back a little bit. And your girl was ready to go anywhere. With my mask, of course. And that is my camouflage retightening hairstyle. I'm a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. This morning I am so excited because I'm getting ready to finish this retie and I will come back to you. I still have to review my retightening tools and give you an update on my hair. I love you, my subscribers, my friends, my family, and God, I love you as well because you're so good to me. See you in the next one.